I will talk about how can you enable drinking water remainder on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just click here on drink water remainder, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to a notification, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, and here can you add start and end and interval here. Then here add drink water type. In this list you will find it here in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.